Hey everybody, this is Peter here at HM Realty. I want to talk about working with builders as a new home buyer, or maybe you're not that new of a home buyer. Maybe you bought a home 3, 4, 5 years ago, so maybe you're just getting back into it. One thing to be, something to consider when you're going to buy a new home, and when I say new home buyer and buying an actual new build versus an existing home, one thing to think about with that is be sure to talk to them. They have a lot of credits, especially lender credits when you're going to purchase the home. So these, there's closing costs that you end up paying for and everything like that. So there's something that you need to be wary of when you go to a home builder, and they may give you some. Just make sure, because a lot of them give you a lot because they want to keep that loan in-house and they want to be able to provide that value for a lot, a high volume of customers coming in and out. So they give you a lot of credits. One, two, they also, on top of that, the interest rates are fairly competitive, so they'll be able to get you in at a good rate. So just make sure, and sometimes negotiations happen between what type of upgrades that you're looking for, what type of things that ultimately you want in a home. Those potentially could be negotiation tactics for you to get in the home just maybe a little bit cheaper or at the price without increasing the price, because you want different type of flooring or different type of fixtures in the house. So one thing to have a conversation with the home builder about is, if there's any negotiations or going through the contract, if there's any time where you can actually talk them down in price on those features. And then on top of that, the second one is talking to them about the lender and what type of credits they give for that specific community, because you could have your lender and come into that community, and that's totally fine, but a lot of the builders want to keep you in-house, as they call it, for a lack of a better phrase, because they can make sure that your loan closes, and then from there they move on to their next property that they're selling to someone that came in right after you. So they want to make sure that that's fluid as well. So make sure, if you are working with an outside sales agent that's coming in to represent you, make sure that they're having those conversations for you. But if not, they have a lot of real estate agents that are there on site, and they'll help you through that process too. Thanks for watching.